Understanding Proffer Session in English. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, proffer session. This might be a new term for many of you, so let's dive in and understand it together. A proffer session is a term often used in legal contexts. It refers to a meeting where a party, usually in a criminal case, provides information to the prosecuting attorney. The key here is that the information is proffered or offered, possibly in exchange for some benefit, like a plea deal or leniency. The term proffer comes from the Old French word proffer, meaning to offer. It's important to understand that a proffer session is not just any meeting. It's specifically related to legal negotiations. This term is more commonly used in the United States. Let's see how proffer session can be used in sentences. 1. The defendant had a proffer session with the prosecutor to discuss the case details. 2. During the proffer session, vital evidence was presented that changed the course of the trial. One common misconception is that a proffer session is the same as a regular court hearing. It's not. It's a pre-trial meeting, and often the details discussed are not on the public record. I hope this video helps clarify what a proffer session is and how it's used, especially in legal contexts. Understanding such specific phrases can really enhance your English comprehension, especially in legal dramas or news. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.